Hello everybody. My dear students, live all long. Now we are going to learn something about the appreciation of the poem. The poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, which is written by Edgar Guest. Here, appreciation means appreciate the qualities of the poem. And this kind of question is asked in the new board pattern. How the question will be asked in the HSC board exam? And we are going to learn something according to the HSC board pattern. So here, this is the section second named as Poetry and Appreciation. Question is third, B, Appreciation. The question they will ask, read the extract and write as per instructions. This activity or question is for just 4 marks. Or in this they can also ask in the following manner also. Write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points. Here some points are given. You should write the answer of the present question or describe the activity. Give the good response to the activity with the help of the given points. Points are as follows. See, the first point is about the poem or poet or title. Second point, theme of the poem. Then summary, gist of the poem. Third point is poetic devices or language or style. In this point, you should write poetic devices, language of the poem, style of the poem, in which style the poet write the present poem. Then fourth point is special features. In this, what are the special features of the poem or tone and type, which is the type or पद्धती कवितेची कोणती आहे ती लिहायची आहे. फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज व्हॅल्यूज. कोणती मूल्य विशद केलेली आहेत, वर्णन केलेली आहेत कवीनं. मेसेज, कोणता संदेश दिलेला आहे कवीनं तो लिहायचा आहे. अँड नाऊ लास्ट पॉइंट इज युअर ओपिनियन अबाउट द पोएम. कवितेबद्दल आपलं स्वतःचं मत काय आहे ते मत आपल्याला व्यक्त करायचं आहे. जसं की तुम्हाला माहीत आहे, ही परीक्षा जी आपली आहे ती रिटन आहे, लेखी आहे, म्हणून आपल्याला लिहून आपलं मत व्यक्त करायचं आहे. हे आपण नेहमी लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे. तर अशा प्रकारे ॲप्रिशिएशन म्हणजे रसग्रहण आणि त्या कवितेच्या संदर्भात काव्यात्मक जे गुण आहेत, क्वालिटीज आहेत, ते आपल्याला काय करायचे आहेत, लिहायच्या आहेत. तर पहिला पॉइंट पाहूयात. पहिला पॉइंट म्हणजे टायटल आहे. द टायटल ऑफ द पोएम. नाउ यू नो व्हेरी वेल द टायटल ऑफ द प्रेझेंट पोएम इज हॅव यू अर्नड युअर टुमॉरो. The title is in the form of a rhetorical question. Rhetorical question म्हणजे अलंकारिक भाषेमध्ये हा प्रश्न आहे की ज्या प्रश्नात त्या प्रश्नाचं काय आहे उत्तर असतं. अशा प्रकारचा प्रश्न की ज्यामध्ये त्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर असतं. द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ कॅरीज इट्स आन्सर. आणि हा रिटॉरिकल क्वेश्चन का बरे विचारला असतो? आपले म्हणणे प्रभावीपणे किंवा इतर चांगल्या पद्धतीने पटवून देण्याकरता किंवा समर्थपणे दर्शविण्याकरता मांडण्याकरता रिटॉरिकल क्वेश्चन वापरलेला असतो. द टायटल ऑफ द प्रेझेंट पोयम, जस्ट आय टोल्ड यू, इज हॅव यू अर्न युअर टुमारो. इट इम्प्लाइज moral behavior. Have you earned your tomorrow is the self-proclaiming type of title and it inspires behavior morally. The title itself is introspective. कवितेचे शीर्षक स्वतःचं आत्मपरीक्षण करावयास भाग पाडणारे आहे. कवितेचं शीर्षक शोधात्मक असून आपली कृती, क्रिया, वर्तन किंवा आचरण चांगले की वाईट ह्याबद्दल प्रश्न विचारून व्यक्तीने स्वतःचं निरीक्षण व परीक्षण करणं आवश्यक आहे असं दर्शविणारं आहे. द टायटल ऑफ द पोयम सजेस्ट दॅट एव्हरीवन शूड ॲनलाइज वन्स, दॅट इज हिज ऑर हर ॲक्शन्स अँड बिहेवियर, वेदर इट इज गुड ऑर बॅड, वेदर इट इज युजफुल ऑर नॉट. तर अशा प्रकारे इथं स्वतः आत्मपरीक्षण करायचं आहे, स्वतःचं विश्लेषण करायचं आहे की आपल्याद्वारे ज्या काही कृती होत आहेत, वर्तन होत आहे ते कोण्या प्रकारचं होत आहे. इट ऑल्सो इव्हॅल्युएट म्हणजे मूल्यांकन. द टायटल ऑल्सो इव्हॅल्युएट युअर ॲक्ट ऑफ गुडनेस, युअर बिहेवियर विथ अदर पीपल अँड what have you done today to earn your better tomorrow or future. Hence, I can say that the title of the poem is apt. Apt means suitable. ह्या कवितेचं जे शीर्षक आहे ते अगदी योग्य आहे, सार्थ आहे. इट प्रमोट्स आवर ॲक्ट इन द राईट वे. म्हणून असं म्हणावंसं वाटतं की कवितेचं शीर्षक योग्य असून आपला उद्याचा काळ म्हणजेच आपला भविष्यकाळ, टुमारो उज्ज्वल होण्याकरता आपण आज, टुडे म्हणजेच डेली लाईफ म्हणजे दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये परोपकारी कार्य म्हणजे सत्कर्म करून मानवी मूल्यांचा अंगीकार करून स्वतःच्या जीवनाचे कल्याण करून इतरांचे जीवन कल्याणमय होईल ह्याकरता आपण प्रयत्न करणं आवश्यक आहे. तर दुसरा पॉईंट आहे ह्यामधलाच पोएट. Have you earned your tomorrow? This poem is written by Edgar Guest, who was born in England, but he became American poet. Edgar Guest is known as people's poet in the first half of the 20th century. He wrote his poetry in a very simple style, and tone of his writing is very much optimistic. His poems often contain an inspirational, optimistic view of daily life. Poem. Now something about the poem. This poem is didactic. Didactic means instructive. उपदेशात्मक कविता आहे. काहीतरी आपल्याला नीतीपर सांगणारी आहे. शिकविण्याची काहीतरी विशेष अशी ती या कवितेची काय कला आहे. So I can say this poem is didactic because it teaches us moral lesson about the behavior and the kindness of heart. The poem has a lot of self-answered questions, that is rhetorical questions, to inspire or motivate the readers to be very much good with other people, to have a better tomorrow or future. Like this is the point which was about the poem. Now, theme. The theme of the present poem is about the result of our behavior in the life of others and also in our own life. If we encourage or inspires others or make them happy by our encouraging words or by our kind and polite behavior, it is definitely directly or indirectly beneficial for our tomorrow or future life. This poem focuses on the importance of human relationships, improvement of relationship with each other is the main theme of the poem. We are always assessed by the other people. This kind of assessment helps us to forget the pessimistic means negative aspect of our day-to-day life. Relationships have a lot of forces that influence behavior of other people. Self-awareness means स्वत्वाची जाणीव, की ज्यामध्ये आपण स्वतः कोण आहोत ह्याबद्दलची जाणीव असणे आणि त्या प्रसंगी आपण कसं वर्तन करायला हवं त्याची आपल्याला जाणीव असायला पाहिजे. थोडक्यात एखादा गरीब आहे म्हणून गरिबानं लाजू नये, म्हणजेच गरिबी आली तर लाजू नका, श्रीमंती आली तर माजू नका. श्रीमंती आली म्हणून काय करायचं नाही, आपण उद्धट वर्तन करायचं नाही. म्हणूनच सेल्फ अवेअरनेस, स्वत्वाची काय पाहिजे आपल्याला जाणीव पाहिजे. काइंड हार्टेडनेस, आपलं हृदय कनवाळू पाहिजे, दयाळू पाहिजे. पोलाइटनेस, सभ्यत आपण असायला हवं. आपला बाणा स्वाभिमानी असायला हवा. ॲक्सेप्टन्स, आपल्या काही चुका झाल्या असतील ते आपण स्वीकारायला पाहिजेत. ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस, विश्वसनीयता असायला हवी. ट्रस्टवर्दी, विश्वासूपणा असायला पाहिजे आपल्यामध्ये. आपल्यावरती विश्वास असायला हवा, जेणेकरून आपण कार्य केल्यानंतर इतरांचा सुद्धा आपल्यावरती विश्वास असला पाहिजे, विश्वास बसला पाहिजे. इन्स्पिरेशन, प्रेरणादायी तर कविता आहेच. आपण इतरांना सुद्धा प्रेरित केलं पाहिजे, मोटिवेट केलं पाहिजे. These are the qualities or human values in all the human relationships. Here in this poem, the poet asks the readers some rhetorical questions, probing questions to remind again and again about self-assessment process for every day. And later on, after considering the positive response of God, the reader feels he has done very well today for others. Then his tomorrow is granted by the God positively. Like this is the point which was about the theme. Now next point, poetic devices, language, style. Poetic devices. This poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza is separated into sets of 4 lines. It is called quatrains. Quatrains means stanza having 4 lines. Rhyme scheme म्हणजे यमक अलंकार, यमक योजना. Rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB, CCAA, DDEE, FFAA. Like this is the rhyming scheme of the present poem. The figures of speech in the present poem. There are some figures of speech. काय अलंकार आहेत कवितेमध्ये काय? These are alliteration, repetition, interrogation. These are the figures of speech which are described by the poet Edgar Guest in the present poem. Language and style. The language of the poem is very much simple and uplifting style of writing which is used by the poet. The poem uplifts the thinking process of a human being and forces us to analyze or assess the self behavior. Now, special features. This poem is an inspirational poem. In each stanza, there are questions asked by the speaker to the readers. The repetition of the sound A appears in the first, second, and fourth stanzas in order to unify the poem. The main focusing factor in the poem is improvement of human relationships, which is described throughout the poem in the form of rhetorical questions. Moral, message, values. This poem is written in a simple way, in a simple style. Just one can say simple living and high thinking. Like this, though the poet used simple language, that is people's language. The message of the poem is very much straightforward, that is, try to make others happy by our behavior, encourage the faded one, let them remember and talk better about you and do better it for yourself. Values. In this poem, there are many human values, that is, simple living and high thinking, self-awareness, acceptance, kind-heartedness, politeness, trustworthy, encouragement, inspiration or motivation. These are the human values which are described by the poet in the present poem. Opinion. Now, in the last, you should give your own opinion. This is the point, just like personal response. So, here you should present your own opinion. कवितेबद्दल तुमचं स्वतःचं वैयक्तिक काय मत आहे ते तुम्हाला इथं काय करायचं आहे, लिहून व्यक्त करायचं आहे. While reading this kind of poem, I was very much touched because this poem reflects how I spoke to others, how I behaved with others. I believe we all can brighten the day that is our today, no matter what the circumstances are. And I am proud to say that I am happy with the words that I have received from others. According to sociologists, man is a social animal. So, I exist in a human society in reference to others. If you want respect from others, it will be better. Firstly, you should give respect to others. Then, you will definitely get respect from others. Treat others well in manner. Then, others will treat you well. If you want good friends, relatives, neighbors around you, then you must be good in the first place. Then you will get what you expect from the other people. For that, you should first act well. This is the opinion one should give in the last point of the appreciation type of question. So friends, you should write appreciation like this, and this question is for 4 marks and it can be asked in question 3rd B. So there are so many points given and you should write the correct answer with the help of the given points.